going to do pouring work today. Adeline, I see that you have some materials in front of you. Let me show you what I have too. I have a pitcher. Where is your pitcher? Two hands. Can you use two hands? And I have a cup. Where is your cup? Oh, you may set down the pitcher. We hold one at a time. We're going to practice pouring back and forth from the pitcher. I can see that you poured the water to the cup. Watch.
Nice. Nice.
Look, my cup has water. I'm going to pour it back into the pitcher. Two hands, one cup. I see that you poured your cup into the pitcher. Should we do it again? Two hands, one pitcher. My cup has water. Now I'm going to pour it back to the pitcher. Two hands, one cup. I'm going to practice again. Are you going to practice again?
Yeah.
I see that Adeline has her pitcher.
I'm a pitcher. I'm a pitcher.
Now my cup has water. I'm going to pour it back into the pitcher. I have practiced pouring. Let's observe the children in our class. Let's observe Adeline. I see that Adeline has her pitcher and her water. Let's watch. Can you pour the water into the pitcher, Adeline? Two hands, one cup. Now can you pour the pitcher into the cup? Oh, you may hold the pitcher with two hands. Here you go. Is the pitcher empty?
Yeah.
The pitcher is empty. You may pour the cup into the pitcher. Two hands, one cup. Now two hands, one pitcher. You may pour the water into the cup. Adeline, can you show me how to pour the water from the pitcher to the cup?
Mama.
You are holding the pitcher with one hand. We need two hands. The water is in the cup.
I know. I know.
What happened? Did you spill some water?
Yeah.
You may find a towel to wipe the spill. Do you know where a towel is? Where's a towel in your home? Let me go find a towel. I see that Adeline is looking for a towel. We can observe another child. I wonder if Adeline has found a towel to wipe her spill.
I know.
It looks like you found some other work. You spilled some water.
No. I know.
Where are towels in your home?
This.
Maybe you can ask your dad for help. I see your dad in the background.
No.
Can you say, Dad, where is a towel?
Where is it?
Maybe Dad can help you find a towel.
Oh,
Maybe Dad, if you have a minute, you can redirect her to find a towel and she can clean up her work.
Potato.
And you found a towel. Do you see where it's wet on your workspace? Adeline is using a towel to dry her water. She sees a spill and she's trying it.
No.
Is your workspace clean?
Yeah.
Adeline's workspace is clean. You may hang your towel back to dry. Where does it go?
Nope.
Adeline, I see you hung it on, or you set it on the floor. The towel needs to hang to dry. Maybe you can follow Dad. Is Dad showing you where it belongs? Adeline, I see that you're back. Are you finished with your work?
Yeah.
Let's put it away.
Oh.
I am finished with my work. I'm going to place it back where it belongs. Since this work has water in it, I like to keep mine on the counter. Adeline, where does your work belong? Do you have a bookshelf where it belongs? The pitcher is on the tray. Let's carry our work back where it belongs. Now my work is where it belongs. Adeline, where does yours belong? Oh, it looks like you may have spilled something. Do you need to pick it up? Adeline is putting her work away. She is ready for the next activity. We practiced pouring work. When she comes back, we're going to sing a song. I see that Adeline is back at her chair. She is ready for the next activity. Adeline, are you ready to sing a song? Let's move our bodies. Can you show me your hands? Where are your hands? Let's sing Open, Shut Them.
No.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Place them on your eyes. Can you cover your eyes? Where's Adeline? There you are. Let's sing it again.
Yeah.
Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap,
No.
clap.
No.
Open, shut them, open, shut them. Place them on your mouth.
No.
Let's do one more. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Place them in your lap. We are ready for our next activity.